Welcome to I Speak Organized, where we practice the art of form and purpose. My name is Melanie, and I'm your professional organizer and productivity consultant. Today's video is going to focus on the daunting, the stressful, the probably really necessary task of spring cleaning. But we're going to do it I Speak Organized style. We're going to start with one room, one decluttering process, and one deep clean, and that's it. I'm going to show you some insider tips and tricks to make this process as easy as possible and hopefully more rewarding for you. So I only have one weird favor to ask. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to play this video on your phone and take me into your bathroom so that we can get started. Because I feel like nobody should have to clean their bathroom alone. So I'm here for you. Let's go! Oh my God, look how organized my house is.
Okay, step one is pretty simple. Clear everything off and start your regular cleaning.
Okay, here's my first deep cleaning tip. So I like to keep all of my cleaning supplies for a bathroom, let's say, in one spot. And I actually keep everything in a bucket. That way I can just grab this bucket and go. Everybody's got their own way. When you start watching cleaning videos, you notice that everybody has very strong opinions about how to clean their bathroom and like to glove or not to glove or, you know, whatever. That's just what I do. Take it or leave it. If it works for you, great. If not, you know, you do you.
Step two is the spring deep cleaning part. I take a microfiber cloth and get one side wet, use it to dust and clean every product that sits out on the counter. Having all the things I see every day look new and shiny does wonders for my mood.
Okay, admittedly, I've gotten a little bit disorganized and a little bit sidetracked, but I will explain to you why. I started kind of the decluttering process for a few things while I was cleaning, just because it was easier for me to do it in the moment. So that's my explanation for you. And yes, I do realize that there is a picture of an incredibly creepy jester behind me, and I always put it in every bathroom that I've ever lived. So if you're afraid of clowns, sorry, just, you know, like, just there. Oh wait, there. Now you can't really see him. It's fine. It's totally fine. Just pretend he's not there. He's really cool. He's very friendly.
The last aspect of our deep cleaning task is to clean the toilet, for obvious reasons. I clean it from the outside in so I'm not contaminating the tank with what's inside the bowl. Disinfect the handle, and boom, you're all done.
Snack break. Which leads me into my next tip. It's very important. Take a snack break. Especially when you're working on organizational stuff, it's hard to make decisions when you're really hungry or thirsty. So what I do is I set a timer. I call it my threshold timer, and it's different with every project and with every day. So let's say that my threshold is like microscopic for that day. I'll set myself like a 10 to 20 minute threshold timer, because that's how long I know I will hold out and be really focused with a certain task. I have to eat lunch. I got to go to a doctor's appointment. Shout out to my mom for taking care of my daughter today so that I could get this all done. Thank you, Mommy. But yeah, set myself a threshold timer for 1 hour. Stopped where I was at, no matter if a task was completely finished or not. Doesn't really matter. You can always come back to it and finish it up at a later time. So take a break. So I use most of that for backstock of like medical supplies and cleaning stuff, things that I don't necessarily want my kids to have access to. So obviously we have, you know, the little drawer locks on there because my oldest daughter definitely gives them a yank every single day. She thinks it's the funniest thing ever. Anyway, I digress. Over the course of the time that I've been using them, I mean, things just get stashed randomly. So I'm gonna spend a little bit of time organizing this. So this is my one decluttering organization process that I'm going to go through quickly, and then I'll explain to you what I did when we're all done. So all the stuff that we store on the counter, I ended up pulling some things that need to go more in my backstock area out of there so that I can keep all of the things that I use more on a regular or daily basis as easily accessible as possible.
My next tip is to categorize your products. For example, paper products, skincare, makeup, dental, or backstock, and then make piles. Then purge things that are expired or you don't ever use. You can then see if you have duplicate items or need to stock some essentials at some point. But also, open space, less products to keep track of, that can alleviate so much hassle and simplify your routines. Try enjoying the extra breathing room you get from letting go of unnecessary stuff. Okay, so the final walkthrough. Here are the hubby's toiletries and travel bag, and all of my smaller hair accessories, scrunchies and hair ties, smaller hair bands, and loose bobby pins that are held together with a magnet that I keep in this drawer here. Pretty handy. And below that are some more hair ties that I use frequently. That's my makeup caddy. This is all of the toiletry products that I use on a daily basis, and my toothbrush, and the things I use on a weekly basis on the second shelf. And then down here is open backstock and medicine that we use regularly. This drawer is for makeup brushes and extra palettes and bags. This is skincare and bath bombs, stuff like that, masks. These are all extra towels because we change them pretty frequently. That's hair tools in there. These are my backstock items, which I cleaned a lot of that stuff out, which is really nice. And down below that is all of our dental supplies. Last drawer is sunscreen and a small bag that has bug spray. This drawer is mainly for my husband's backstock, and the other drawer is where I keep all of my hairbrushes. Down here are the cleaning supplies we talked about, and where we keep extra toiletries and an emergency travel kit, first aid stuff in there, shaving and waxing stuff, electric razors. Up here we've got stuff for the kids. Down below is extra backstock toiletries that are not open, and extra vitamins and medicine that's not open.
Whew, okay, we're done. How easy was that? If I hadn't been filming, I think that whole project would have taken me maybe 1 hour. So I hope that this has inspired you to start your own spring cleaning journey. Please like this video, give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed the content, and consider subscribing to my channel if you're interested in more professional organizing tips and tricks. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! I feel like my lips are always really dry when I film these videos. Can somebody help me with that? Please? I wore like the absolute worst bra shirt combination today, so sorry about that. Ugh.